My name is Micaela. I am from Cuenca. I love to share the information about my city, the best places, and I invite you to come to my city.
So we arrived in Cuenca yesterday and it is beautiful here. Just the bus ride through the mountains from Guayaquil here is kind of like coming upon like a fairy tale land. So today we decided to do the walking tour, and of course you're going to learn about the history, about the buildings, the architecture, the people, the food. So let's get started with this walking tour. I think I know this guy. Hi, buddy.
I think I know you as well. I met you somewhere before. Is it in Cali?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you again in Ecuador this time.
All right, so now to try this magical elixir of a soda that they drink when they have hangovers or when they need to rehydrate, or just at the end of the day after a long day at work, you just want some recharge, replenishing. You drink this.
I actually like it.
It's tart.
I don't think it's that tart. That's not sweet.
It's not very sweet, it's good.
Enjoyable. It's light. Much fizzier.
It reminds me of that vitamin C that you get that's effervescent.
Oh yeah.
So it's not super sweet, very sour.
Yeah.
Very good.
I like it. Everybody liked it except one person. Yeah, I can see why they enjoy this. Woo! That was a lot of stairs. But we're good now.
Agua de Pitimas. I like this one. It's minty.
I like this one. The other one it looks like a medicine, something medicament, but this one is like a drink. You feel there is like herbs in it. So I hope I will be more relaxed.
That is the interesting thing about taste buds. For me, the other one was better. Yeah, I mean, this one's not bad.
No, don't.
1 week ago I ate something, manios. Until now my digestive system is not happy, so I will try to have a tea from this to recover, to be fit again. Manzanilla in Spanish. In English?
Chamomile.
Chamomile, yeah, it's like French chamomile. In Moroccan it's babounche. I heard a lot of nice things about it before to come here, but it's really, really beautiful. We just had a tour now, a free tour walk-in with a really amazing guide. She gives a lot of information that helps to understand the city and the culture and the history. Today I will do the massage and the healing stuff from the woman in the market, eating the dish as well, the local dish. And yeah, I recommend Cuenca. Like, it's just my first day, but I really recommend it.
I already knew it was going to be beautiful, but it's just reinforcing that. I love it here. It's clean, it's safe, it's pretty, and the views are immaculate. Vibes are everything.
So this tour with Mika was actually really good. I've had very good luck since I've been in South America. I've had a lot of great tours, and Mika's just right up there with all the rest. But Cuenca as a city, I think might be my favorite city in Ecuador. Just even when we were arriving, just the beauty that's here, just the view that I have right now. I'm just looking out at the mountains because Cuenca means like surrounded by mountains, basically. Just charming here. It's I don't know, it has this charm. You definitely should come see Cuenca. Que got a tour. So like there's new holes here.